Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I will be showing you how to edit videos step by step from using a software that is built into Windows 10. So let's get started. Okay, so to do this, go down to the search bar and type in video editor. Then click on open. Then click on new video project. So this is where that we're gonna be editing our video. Let's name our video. I'm gonna be naming it as video 1. Then click on OK. So let's edit our video. So in the project library you can add videos. You can click on this add icon right here and then click on this from this PC right here, and then it will load up a file picker, and then you can choose whatever the video clips that you want and then open up in the project library. I'm gonna be dragging and drop a video file from my computer. So as you could see, this is one of my YouTube video intros from earlier videos. So after you have chosen what are the video clips that you want to edit, go ahead and click on the video clips and then drag and drop them into the storyboard. Now you can see the preview of your video right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a title card. So to add a title card, go ahead and click on this add title card icon right here. Then click on text. So as default it comes with a text that says style. We can change it. Then let's type in title card. For example, okay, we can animate our text style by clicking on this text styles right here: joy, adventure, and many more. Then you can change the layout by clicking on these various options right here. And I can put the layout to bottom, top, left, right, or title 2. I'm going to be putting it as title 2 and then click on done. So let's go ahead and choose a background before we get done with our title card. I'm going to be choosing this seafoam color right here and then click on done. Okay, so now let's see the preview of our video. Pretty cool, right? So let's trim our, so if you want to trim a video clip, you can click on this trim icon right here and then choosing the duration of the video that you want to trim and then click on done. You can add text to the video by choosing what is the duration that you want the text to appear, and then click on the text that you want to enter. I'm going to be using it, I'm going to be adding the text as video. So I'm going to be choosing it as simple, and then I'm going to be changing the layout to bottom. So as you could see, the video is coming up right here. Then you can change the motion of your video. As default it comes with none. You can zoom in center, zoom out center, zoom in left, zoom in right, and there are various options. Then you can add 3D effects. There are various kind of 3D text, 3D effects that you can add. You can add this live button right here. You can add plasma sparks, news 24/7, live sports, atomic motion, auroras, and then you can add autumn leaves, balloons, so much more. You can edit them by selecting the 3D text. For example, let's add this live button right here. give it a moment to load up. So unfortunately the live effect, I can't load that into the project, so you can go ahead and try to load them. I think it takes a bit of time because there are 3D effects. So let's move on with the video. Next you can add click on this 3D library here and then add 3D pictures to your video. I'm going to be choosing this animal and insects section, and then I'm going to be adding this nice horse to my video clip. Unfortunately that 3D part 2 I can't add to the video clip, I think because of those 3D effects, and it takes a bit of long time to add. So if your internet connections are good and powerful, you can go ahead and add 3D content to your video in no time. So let's go ahead and add a filter to our video. To add a filter, go ahead and click on this filters icon right up above, and then you can add various kind of filters to your video. Then I'm going to be using this iceberg filter right here, and then click on done. Now let's see the preview of our video. The title card, then the video intro with the filter. Next we covered all these items right here, and then we can cover the speed option. We can modify the playback speed of our video clip. You can set it to slow, you can set it to fast. I'm going to be choosing it as normal. Then you can remove or show black bars. Then you can rotate the video. You can delete video clips. Then you can remove all the video clips at once. Then right up above you can see an option that says background music. So this is a great feature, so you can add any kind, you can add audio sounds, you can add sounds to your video clip. So as an example, when you click on this play preview icon right here, you can hear the preview of the audio that you're going to be adding to your video clip. Or that's magical season. You can, and there is amplified, and arcade party, and many more. I'm gonna be adding and amplified, then click on done. Now let's see the preview of our video. So that's the sound that we're going to be adding to our video. Now you can make custom audio. You can import audio tracks from your computer, and then finally you can duplicate projects, you can back up the project, you can add themes, you can change the landscape, make it portrait, or change the ratio, or send feedback and settings. So after you have done all this and you're satisfied with your project, go ahead and see the preview once again. Then click on this finish video icon right here. Then you can choose the video quality from high, medium, and to low. Then you can click on this more options right up above, and I'm gonna be not changing any of this right here, and then click on export. you can change then it will open up this window right here, and then you can change the name of your video file and then click on export. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, please go ahead and subscribe. That will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in another video. Subscribe. Bye.